Yo, 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 I am back with a new video, and this time I want to give a shout out to... That's right. Puppy We Play. Or Puppy We Pal. I have no idea how to say your name, but I'll give you a shout out. Definitely. Okay, so I want to give a shout out to Puppy We Pal. If I say this right, I have no idea. I got no clue how I'm supposed to say your name, but welcome to the podcast. I mean, no. I'm gonna say, big shout out to you, man. I love it, man. Keep rocking on. And I'm glad you're a fan of PewDiePie, Markiplier, Jacksepticeye, and Ethan, aka Crossplays Games. That's really cool. I'm glad. I want to give you a shout out is because you've done pretty well, and I think you deserve more love, peace, and support that you need. Definitely. So, I'm on support squads. I'm on support squatters. My support squad family. My support squatter family. You know what to do. Please go over to the channel. Follow him up on YouTube. Subscribe to him on this channel. Press the bell icon to get notified for more amazing edits and, of course, art. Because I want to see him to keep it up. Literally. So let's give him more love. So let's go over what he has been up to. So he has this. He has Tumblr. So please follow him up on Tumblr. If you want to sign up, go ahead and then follow him up on here. Then after that, follow him up on here as well after you signed up. And then after that, go over to this area and follow him up on here as well. Please do. And also follow him up on Instagram and Twitter. So keep working on, man. I love it. I want to see what else you do. Definitely. And yeah. Keep working on. Oh, and Puppy We Pal or Puppy We Play. If you're hearing this is me to you. Welcome to my support squad. Rock on. Peace. Oh, and wait. Before I go, I will give a link to the channel down below in my description. Definitely. So, if I do that, please show me support and love and peace. Definitely. And also, let's give him more subs. Maybe 200K, maybe, or 200 million. That'd be really cool to see. So, yeah. Rock on, man. Peace.